Namaste friends. Science behind Navaratri. Only in the Hindu religion or this Sanatana Dharma, sages and our forefathers has shown us so many things for our life. To lead the life beautifully, they had given so many things. In that one particular thing is Navaratri. See, this Dakshinayana Punya Kala, when we are saying about the Dakshinayana Punya Kalam, this Dakshinayana Punya Kalam, we used to go for fast and all the prayers and so many fastings, prayers, pujas, everything will come on this Dakshinayana Punya Kala. Now, actually, astronomically, when we are talking, the Earth, the planet Earth, moves away from the Sun for the 6 months. So, now the daytime will decrease and the night time will increase. At the same time, the monsoon will change, like rainy season, winter season. So, what happens here? In the planet Earth, so many bacterial infection, viral infection, and so many small insects which will harm the human body and which will give the diseases. So, in this Dakshinayana Punya Kala, we used to go for different fastings. In this, in Tamil we used to say Puratasi Masam. I mean, the Puratasi Masam will start from the mid of September to October. In this time, first starts with Malaya Paksha, the 15 days from full moon day to new moon day. We used to pray for our ancestors. Then, after the new moon day, start from the first day after the new moon day till 10 days, we used to go for Navaratri. This Navaratri is called as Sharda Navaratri. We used to pray for the goddesses Parvati in the different forms like Brahmani, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Narsimhi, Indrani, Shivastuti, Chamundishwari and Sri Rajarajeshwari. So, now these forms, why we are praying for the different forms of goddesses? To give us the peacefulness and the healthy things for our life and everything. But how does this sages or our ancestors have made this? It is very beautiful thing. First thing, we are worshipping the women. So we have to give respect to the women. All women, from all girl child, all the ladies and all the women are here the goddesses. They are in the form of Parvati Devi. Number 2. In these 9 days, we used to do some prasadam. That is like in different, for example, we used to make jaggery. We used to cook with jaggery, green peas and chanas, like that. Different 9 types of grains. We use 9 types of grains. This 9 type of grains will give health for our body. Number 2, we used to sing the song or we used to play the song in different ragas. That is also with the 9 ragas. These 9 ragas will help the body to overcome from sinus, headache, body ache, mental peaceness. So these things will come on when we are playing this ragas, different types of that 9 types of ragas. And why we are using this ragas to our food when we are eating the different types of grains for our health. When we are having a good health, we can plan for the success. So it will give the immunity power for the body and it will give mental health for the body. So this Navaratri is a scientific thing which has been gifted by our ancestors, by our forefathers, by our sages. Let us pray them. Let us pray Parvati Devi and all the girls, all the women around the world as the form of the Parvati Devi. Even your lover, even your wife, even your mother, even your girl child, all are in the form of Parvati Devi. Thank you.